Hi, I'm Danielle Story. It's lovely to have you here. So this is welcome to OmniJoin, and I'm just going to run a very short clip for you. Some of you have asked me what I mean by saving time or having a system or something that enables me to stay in touch with my customers better or to organise my life a bit better. I use Microsoft Outlook, and I'm not sure what calendar you use, but if you're a Microsoft Outlook user, here's a couple of handy tips for you. So this is Brothers OmniJoin. I'm going to put you on share only for the webinar, and I'm going to then go and share my desktop with. It's quite a good product. I'm really happy with it. Alrighty. So what you can see here is an old version of Microsoft. I'm sorry, I'm still running on XP, but it does also work on the later versions because I've got, I think, Windows 8 or something in my other office, and it works there. And you can see here in front of us we've got an email that says, I look forward to seeing you at a certain time, and can you finish that report? So can you do a task? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend that she said, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. And I'm going to take that email and I'm going to right click on it. So not standard left click, right click and not let go. And I'm going to drag it over to my calendar over here on the 16th, which is next, so let's drag it over to the 23rd, which is Wednesday week. And I'm going to copy it here as an appointment with text. And the reason I do that is because so often I'll be out and about on my phone, and I've synced my phone with Outlook very easily, and it has all the details I need, that has been on the email. And sometimes it's as simple as needing to know how to spell somebody's name. So just say Natasha meeting and Natasha and Danielle meeting, and I can then save that out, and it'll save out as a calendar note on the right hand side. There you can see that Wednesday week I've got this meeting. Now just say she gives me a call and we're chatting away, and she says to me, oh, look, Danielle, actually, I can't meet you next Wednesday. How about Wednesday week? Well, you can put in there Wednesday week, and it'll automatically move that to the 30th. Or she could say to you, oh, actually, I can't do Wednesday week. Can we do this Wednesday? You would just put in Wednesday, and it would move it for you. It's pretty cool, hey? And then save and close that, and it then will sync to my phone and let me know when I need to be there on Wednesday or whatever it is. In fact, did that change? It normally just changes straight over. I might have put the wrong one in there. Let me try that again. Okay, so we're just going to change that to this Wednesday. Sorry about that clunk in your ear. There we go. And we've now got our meeting moved to the 16th, which is this Wednesday. So that was half what it is, and literally just dragging that into the calendar for appointments saves me so much time, saves me worrying about going to my calendar and typing things in and getting confused and looking at calendar dates, and just keeps me organised. The second part that I absolutely love is task-driven things. So I'm really great with a deadline. I don't know about you, but I need to know what's happening. So I took a call this morning, for example, and someone said, what's on field? Until I opened my calendar, I have no idea. I just don't retain it in my head. And that's that not sleeping at night, is when I'm going through worrying about all the things I have to achieve. I sleep better when my tasks are out and written and in a format. So again, a format that I can follow. So again, I'm going to right click because she said to me here, do you think you can finish that report before you become? And also I'm going to set a task. I'm going to right click on that same email, and I'm going to drag it down the left hand side to tasks. And I'm going to let go and copy here as a task with text. And lo and behold, up pops the task, and I can then pop Danielle and Natasha meeting and report request. And I might think, oh, I haven't got time to do it today, so I'm going to start it tomorrow, and I'm going to finish it by Wednesday, so I know that I've got a day to do it. And then I can save and close that there. Now, that task then pops up here on the right hand side in my tasks thing. But just say, for example, I get to tomorrow and I'm sitting there, oh cool, that's popped up, it's in my task list, I've got to do it. I can then come in here into insert. Oh, let me just click in here. I can come into insert, and I can actually hyperlink to the document that I'm working on. So it could be an existing document, it could be creating a new document. In this case, I'm going to create a new document, and it's going to come, the name of the new document is going to be Danielle and Natasha oh, Natasha, and it's going to open up for me a Word document, I believe, depending on what it is, and I'm actually going to edit that document now. And it's popped it into my task, and Word will just pop up. Now, if you're working in an Excel document, you could, I'm just going to click through to that document now, and I've just, my old computer saying, would you like to do this? Yes, I would. And that's going to open up that document for me. I'm going to wait for it to catch up, flick back to the task. I'm going to copy, not cut, control copy, and I'm going to Natasha report. I'm going to drop that into there like that, and I promised to make a table out of it, so I'm going to just insert a table, convert that text to table. Okay, bang. I may need to add in another column there, right click on that and insert a row, whatever it is you need to do. I'm sure you guys know how to do all of this sort of thing. A column to the right, there you go, some of my document. We'll see how I go. I might be able to do something else and fix it all up and work on what I have to do and get it whatever I need to get it. So I'm just going to save that out, shut that down. And here we come back to the task, which is due in 2 days. I'm going to save and close it. And then because I got busy, I'll get back to it later in the afternoon, double click on the task again, and then just go straight back to the document. And then that's a live document. So I could insert a document into the task, but it'll be a copy of the document. So that's why I always put inserting a hyperlink, not just a document. I could do a bit more work on it. Work. Save it out, close it down, and again, it's still sitting back in my task. Now, it's possible I need to ring me. Sometimes I feel like I need to ring me, just have a personal conversation with what's going on inside my head. If I could pick up the phone and might get some of my attention instead of being distracted. So keeping everything together, I might like to insert a business card, and you can see there I'm already up there because I've done this before, but I could just go other cards. I could come in here, I could type in Danielle, and it'll bring up, I could type in D. I know I'm down the bottom here. I can normally just, because I'm under story, there you go. I could have typed in S, brought up story, and then I can have that business card in there and close it down. And so all the information, all the notes that I want to type, all the, I spoke with Natasha, and she said blah, 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 blah. And then I can put a date on that of whatever the 16th of whatever the date is, and so on and so forth. Save that out, and then it's sitting there again in my tasks, ready to go. It's just a nice way to organise yourself. Of course, if you have too many tasks, that's when you need to start delegating and getting things done. So, so here's my contact details, because I'm going to open up that card. If you need me, don't hesitate to email me, danielle@daniellestory.com. Don't hesitate to get me on Facebook if you need me. It's Facebook.com/$1 Million Relationships, or through the groups that you're involved in that we're chatting in. If you want to give me a call, don't hesitate to give me a call. My numbers are there as well. I really do like talking to other entrepreneurs, and there will be things that that I don't know. You might look at that and go, oh, actually, there's a better way of doing that. Can't wait to show Danielle, so don't hesitate to give me a call. The really cool thing about this, this OmniJoin is, I'll just bring it back to the screen here. The really cool thing about this OmniJoin is that I can, if need be, you want to have a chat, I can send you a meeting request straight from here, and then I can hand presenter privileges over to you. So if there's something that you want to show me, you can show me directly from your computer, or I can show you from mine and talk you through stuff. So it's kind of webinar technology has come so far. Have a fantastic day. Getting organised means that you have a better relationship with yourself. You feel so much better when you feel that, well, I do, I feel better when I feel that things are under control, and that gives us more time to spend time with our families or doing the things that we really love to do. So have a fantastic day. Try one or two things, if not once a week, once a month, something new to help you get organised. And I look forward to talking to you again soon.